I just found this brand new app, which anyone from anywhere in the world can use to get free PayPal money, which requires no investment. Other payment options are also available, but if you want to make this work, you must follow all the steps from this video. If you don't watch the entire video, then I'm sorry, but this will not work for you, and you will not make any money. So prove to yourself that you're not lazy to listen to a 10-minute tutorial video and take action. I think it's a lot better to pay attention to a 10-minute tutorial video that will teach you how you can make money from your phone, than to waste 10 minutes endlessly scrolling through Instagram reading posts, which you will forget as soon as you start scrolling further. So pay close to attention, but before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated, and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video here. You can see all the different options, which you can select. You can get paid through PayPal, Peer Airdom, or whatever payment option you personally prefer. If you'd like to get paid through PayPal and collect the money, then you can select the PayPal option, and as soon as you have $5 in your account, you can cash out and spend that PayPal money on whatever you want to. So right before we start, I want to show you proof that this actually works. So as you can see here, all of these people are already making money with this website, and they're being paid almost every couple of minutes. And these people are coming from all countries all around the world. So this is definitely a website that pays well, and it works really, really well. Step number 1. Before you even get to the app, you will need to go over to Google and search for different articles and blog posts that you think people would be interested in reading. Maybe something that's trending, articles with strange facts, or anything that you can think people will click on. For example, I'm going to search for 10 unusual facts about water. I'm not only focusing on one niche, as you can see. I'm not looking for one specific category, like gold sports, or something that would only be appealing to a specific group of people, but actually trying to focus on something that millions would like to know about. So for example, 100 amazing water facts you should know, or whatever you think is appealing to a large group of people. You can even select interesting stories or some bizarre and unusual facts of things that many people would be interested in. It can be a movie about a movie star, an actor, or a YouTube star. I just want you to find articles that you think a lot of people would go for. So once you find that, what I want you to do is right-click on it and copy its link. So once you copy the link that opens to the article, that's all you have to do for this step. Number 1, which has to go over to Google. Find an article or a blog post that you think would be appealing to a large group of people, and copy its link. Now step number 2, I want you to come over to this app called exe.io. Now you can either use this on your smartphone device, on your tablet, your laptop, or on your computer. I'm using my desktop computer just so it's easier for me to explain it to you. Just go over to exe.io. This is a place where you can shorten, share, and earn money. You can shorten long URL or long links, and you can share it with friends and family and other people. And whenever someone clicks on the link that you shortened, you will get paid. So they don't need to sign up for anything. They don't need to spend any money, and they don't need to buy anything at all. They just need to click, and you will get paid. Now that's amazing. You see, it's a lot easier to make someone click on a link than to make them sign up or buy something. As you can see, you only need 3 simple steps. First, create an account, and I'm going to show you how to register for free. Second, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to shorten your link. And third, you will earn money, and you will see how it works. Now, the reason we are using this app is because they have the highest rate, which means you will get the most amount of money for those clicks. You will also get detailed statistics of who was actually clicking on your link, and they also have a really nice referral program. So if you'd like to share this with your friends and family, Or you can find someone that would be interested in making money with exe.io. You can just share your referral link and you will earn 15% of all their lifetime earnings, which means you can collect passive income for a lifetime just for referring someone. And if that person makes $1,000, you will make $150 without lifting a finger. Now, I want you to come over to exe.io. Click on the sign up button right here so you can create an account, and you can do so by creating a unique username. Next step is to enter your valid email address in this box. Create a password, then retype it for confirmation and agree to their terms of use and privacy and policy, which you can read by clicking on it. So after that, just click register and you have created an account in exe.io. Once you make a brand new account there, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, this is the dashboard where you can track your views, your earnings, your referral earnings, and the average CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 clicks that you get from your link. So that's going to vary. Your earnings per click are going to be lower or higher, depending on where the click is coming from. If it's coming from a top-tier country, then obviously you will be making more money. And if it's coming from a developing country, then your earnings will be lower. That's because whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, and they will be redirected to a landing page for ads, and they will be shown ads, which they can skip. And as soon as they skip those ads, they will be redirected to the link that you originally wanted for them to go. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So exe.io is just splitting the ad revenue with you. And that's why they have the CPM. And that's why this actually works. And that's why they're actually paying you for those clicks. So if you're going to ask me if this is a genuine system, because the person that clicks doesn't need to spend any money at all, and they can just skip those ads. exe.io is making money, and you're also making money pretty easily. So once you start making money, and once you have $3 in your account, you can go over to withdrawals right here, and you can select whatever payment option you prefer. In this case, I will choose PayPal. Just enter your PayPal email address, and you can cash out and spend that money on whatever you want to. But before that, you need to start getting those clicks. Once you grab that interesting article from Google, I want you to click on create a link right here so you can shorten it. You want to shorten the link of that article or blog post, which you think many people would click on and will be interested in reading. This is why I advised you to select articles that will be interesting to a large group of people. So just paste that link here and click create right here, and that's going to give you the shortened exe.io link. You can copy that, and whenever someone clicks on this link, you will get paid. Now you just need people clicking on this link. And to make this work, you want to find people that will be interested in reading that article. So now I'm going to show you two different traffic sources, which you can use to get those clicks automatically in hands-free, even if you don't have any social media followers. And even if you are a complete beginner. Now for the first traffic source is just go over Hercules.com. This is a platform which will allow you to advertise any link that you want to daily for free. So it gives you one entire email list, and you can send one email with one click to thousands of different people every single day for absolutely free. And there's a good chance that a lot of them are clicking on your link. Once again, each time someone clicks on your link, you will get paid. The second traffic source, which you can use, is not for free, but it will allow you to get more clicks a lot easier. This is Shoutcart.com. And if you sign up for free on Shoutcart.com, you will be able to browse all the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and they can advertise your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of people for a really, really low price. For example, you can see that I only selected Instagram, and I can advertise for $10, and I can promote my shortened link to 500,000 people out of 500,000 people. If I get at least 5,000 clicks on my link and I'm making $10 for 1,000 clicks, that's $50. So I've just made $40 profit without lifting a finger, because all you have to do is pay $10. Give them your link and they will promote it. You can create a snowball effect with this. So if you have $10 to start investing into this, invest into one shout out. And if you start making money of around $50 to $60, just reinvest back some of that money into more shout outs. The more you make, the more shout out you buy. And from bigger pages, once again, you are creating a snowball effect. And you can buy those shoutouts every single day, and you can get those clicks on a regular daily basis, and automatically you can advertise to millions of people with the shoutcard.com, and you can get hundreds of thousands of clicks on your shortened links just to make sure that those articles and those blog posts which you find in Google are actually appealing and interesting. So a lot of people will click on them. So once again, whenever someone clicks, I make money. So this is a really good and fun way to earn extra money online. So start for free with Herculist, get some clicks, earn money, and just start reinvesting into Shoutcart and try to build some kind of a business with this. It's a really good one, and it's easy since you can do it with just your phone. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.